John McMath with the Static Pain Terminator, and as you can see, a little different scene than the last few times that we've done these videos. If you've paid attention to the news, there's been some horrific Texas forest fires, and we are approximately 300 yards from our house, and this is what it looks like. So this Labor Day weekend, we've been fighting forest fires and literally came inches from losing our house and everything, and most of our neighbors have lost everything. And it's just been a tremendous effort, and I have to thank the San Bernardino Fire Department to continue to come out here, patrol the area. One thing I wanted to show you guys, and this has to do a lot with static pain, okay? What we've been doing all day is I've been running my tractor along this line where you got these little bitty fire pits, and I'd have this little water sprayer. You can spray the water, okay? But then what you want to do is you got to get the dirt over it, okay? Because there's three things that cause a fire, okay? You need air, you need a spark, and you need fuel. It's the same thing as what runs your car engine. Think about it. You need air in your intake, you need spark, which is your ignition system, and fuel, which is of course the gasoline. I promise you, if you've got those three things in your automobile, your car will run. It may not run well if there's something else wrong with it, but it will run. So it's the simple things. It's also having survival skills, like having generators. We had generators, so we were able to, for example, when we lost power, we were able to plug in our generator to a 220 to power our wells, since we're out in the country, to fight the fires. These are all survival skills, and it's really important because you can translate these survival skills that actually saved our lives, saved our houses, into saving your static pain. Yes, you need to depend on your doctors, good doctors, kind of like a good president, like my favorite president of the 20th century, Ronald Reagan. Yes, he was a damn good president, but he had really good people underneath him that he relied on. Well, you gotta have, just like in a good business plan, you gotta have, you're the CEO, you're the patient. You gotta have really good people underneath you that work with you, like your doctors, like my, Dr. Filler, Dr. Center. You gotta have your caregivers, like Jennifer, like my parents, so on and so forth, people that really care about you. So really wanted to show you a different example of how static pain and life and survival skills and everything just, go hand in hand. So hope this helps. Definitely sheds a different light on the whole deal. This is John McMath from the Static Pain Terminator, wishing you and your friends and family a pain-free and also a very safe lifestyle.
250. Hold your hand up. 250. Talk. Did you tell her that, Travis, or what? Teaching her them bad habits? 250. Y'all do something. 250. 10. Now 20. 2, 10, 20 for Mr. Citizen over here. 2, 10, 20. Now 230. Now 240. 230, 40. 240. Now 50. 50. Why didn't you tell me that a while ago? That's right. 150. 260. 260. Where'd he go? Doc, where'd he go? 250. He's looking off. 250, 60. You can get that text message later. 260. Turn that thing off. We got an auction going here. 260. Now 270. 260, 70. 260, 70. Was that 300? I thought you said 300. 270. Now I can't see too good. Now 280. 280. And how about 300? 280. 280. Are we doing any good, Doc? 280. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Citizen. 280. 290. 300. Now we're going. She catching on. Just hold it up a little while. I'll tell you when to put it down. 300. It must be nice to be over in the nice shade over there. 300. 3 1/4. 3 1/4. What I tell you about that text message? Now 310. Somebody text him right quick. Tell him to hold his hand up. 325. 310. 310. 310. Hurry up and do something. I'm about to run out of gas. I hope she got 350 over here. 350. Ah, you killing me. And 315. Now 20. And 20. And 320. And 315. Now 20. 320. 320. 320. I have sold it right over here. $315. Boy, you talking about earn your keep. $315. Thank you. Cheryl Kinslow. Ma'am, you can leave now. All right. Thank you. We appreciate it. We thank you, Mr. Public. Mr. Public over here. Mr. Citizen, thank you. Appreciate it. Turn that cell phone off. We're trying to have an auction. Thank you. We appreciate it.